Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Crown Tech Communication. Now in this video I'm going to be showing us how we can upload themes and plugin from the back end of our website, which we call backend installation. Now what's the back end of our website? The back end is the cPanel. Now if you remember in the previous video, I showed you how we add our themes through the WordPress dashboard. Now the main reason why will be able we need to add themes or plugin from our cPanel or backend is because when the themes is more than the maximum size that WordPress will take, so you need to go back to your cPanel and upload. Now let's go to our cPanel and I'll show you how we can upload or install through our cPanel. Now let's head straight to our cPanel. Now I'll be using the cPanel of the Crown Tech Communication. I show you how you can buy domain and hosting. You know I bought crowntech.com.ng, so I'm going to be using it so that you can even see how the look of different cPanel from different hosting look. Now when you go to your cPanel, you just go to file and click on file manager. Now it will take you to your file manager. After it have take us there, just if you are using phone, just come to desktop site, click on desktop site so that you'll be able to make use of it very well. Now I want to show you something. Now after you have clicked on desktop site, let me just zoom it so you can see what I want to show you. Now click on public_html. You need to click on it. So after we have clicked on it, what we need here is just what? WP content. We have WP admin, WP content, and WP include. Just click on WP content. Sorry, we need content. Now click on what? WP content. Now it will load. It will give us what? We don't need all this. Now all we need is WP content. Now let's click on that plus so that it will give us things that are under WP content. Now let's wait for it to load. So we just need the things under WP content. Can you see? So these are the things we have under it: plugins, themes, and upload. Now what we are dealing with is plugins and themes. Now if you want to upload themes, go to themes directly. If you want to upload plugin, click on plugin. So that's the different way. The other things are the same for plugin and themes. That's just the different of installing plugins and themes from our cPanel. Now when you get to this end, you need to differentiate. Now I want to install themes. I've downloaded the themes. I told you that you can get themes from WP local or go to wordpress.org and search for any themes you want. Now let me click on themes. Now this is what you are going to notice. Now let it come up. I'll show you something. Now when you click on themes, you see that we only have 3 themes on our WordPress dashboard. Let's go back and check. You see that we only have 3 themes under there. We only have 3 themes. Can you see? Only 3 themes: 2021, 2019, and 2020. Now let's go back to our file manager. So those are the only themes you will see there. Now so let it fetch it for us. So we need to just start again. So because of what I showed you, so it has went back. So I'll follow that process again. Click on WP content. Click on WP content. Click on themes. So I need themes. So it's themes I will need. Now just can you see it's showing here. Now what you just need to do is what? Click on upload. After I have clicked on upload, it will take you. Now can you see drop file, select file? Click on select file, download. Now you are going to choose the file you have downloaded. Now we have generatepress.zip, ocean WP. These two, they are WordPress themes I downloaded from wordpress.org. You can download from plocal. Now for the purpose of this practical, I just downloaded this. Now let me click on this, the first one. Now I'll show you how it will work. Now we wait for our file to what? To upload. So we are waiting for our file to upload. Now before that, before our file come up, we will see that what we are having down here. Can you see what we are having down there? It said go back to home/crown_tech/public_html/wp content/themes. Now if you have anything different from this, that means your file that you are uploading is going to another place. There's an error. Let me do that again. So if you have anything different from this, that means what you are doing is what is totally going to another source. Why is it not coming up now? Let me choose another one. Let me choose the second one. This is the same thing. So let's just select our file again. Can you see? So our file is uploading. Like I told you earlier on, if you are not having anything like this content/themes, that means what you're uploading is not going directly to your themes. So this is what we need. Then wait for it to successfully upload. So we are having 42 now. 56, then 100. Okay.
It don't done. Oh. It don't done. Peace, well done.
So we have 99% now. Then when it gets to 100, we need to wait for that blue to turn to green. Then after it has turned to green, that's it. So it's still at 99%. Let's just wait for it. Let's wait for it. Now it has turned 100. Now let's just wait for it. This green, I told you this blue need to change to green before we can proceed on anything. So let this just change to green. That green means it has been successful. So let's just wait for it to turn to green. Let's wait for that. Now since it has refused to change, let's just go back. Now we'll click on go back to see what we are having. So it will refresh. Let it refresh. You see it's telling us fetching directory content. So let's leave it. It will refresh and it will give us what we need. Can you see data error? Let's reload it again. Can you see now? Now most time you don't really need it to turn to green. When it is 100% complete, then just do what you want to do. Because of service, it has already completed, but because of the service, you may not know. Now since this is what we uploaded, generate press. Now click on it. No, this is not it. Click on it. Yeah. This is it. Generate press. Now click on extract. Can you see? We need to what? Click on extract. This one, this second to the last one. Click on extract. Now can you see? If it's not bringing it for you like this, wp content/themes, then what you are doing is wrong. Now click on extract file. Now it will extract. It's extracting archive. So leave it. It will extract. let's leave it for let's wait for it to extract. Now we can see that it has extracted. Just come to this place, click on close. So since you have clicked on close, can you see generate press? It has turned to file. Now we now have 4 themes. Now go directly to your to your dashboard, to your WordPress dashboard. Now you are going to see it. Just refresh it, then you see your themes there. Let us refresh. We are still having 3. Now let's refresh. You will see that we are having 4 now. Then you install it from there. Can you see how I upload it now? Very simple. Very simple. Now let it load, and you are going to see that the theme will show up on our WordPress dashboard. Let it just load. You can see what I'm saying now. The themes are now for. Now let's search for it and install it. Can you see this is it? Generate press. Let's click on it. Can you see activate? So activate it. So that is just how you can install themes and plugins from the cpanel of your dashboard. So that is how to install themes and and plugin from the cpanel. So when you activate it, then it will start work. Thank you.